Hello lovely people, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you change your email into your Snapchat. If you're having any problem to change your email into Snapchat, this video is just for you. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat application, and after opening the Snapchat app, just go to your profile by clicking into your Bitmoji icon into the top left corner. Step 2. Go to the settings and find email. Now after coming to your Snapchat profile, you can see this gears icon into the top right corner. You just simply have to tap there and it will navigate you to the settings. And after going to the settings, you can see this email option here. You just simply have to tap into that. Step 3. Change the email. Now after coming to the email section here, you just simply have to erase this current email and write down the new one here. And after successfully typing the new email that you want to set, click to this save button. And for security reasons, now you have to enter the password. After doing the process, Snapchat will send you a link to verify your email address into your mailbox. You just simply have to open your mailbox and you can find the email with the link. You just simply have to click into that email and after that click to this confirm email button. Then it will redirect you to the browser that you're using. And after going to the browser, it will successfully verify your email address in your Snapchat account. By following these very easy steps, you can also change your email address into your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. We'll meet in another one. Till then, keep sending the snaps.